I got into becoming a hair care specialist because I genuinely care about the health of a person's scalp and their hair, along with the hairstyle. If this is something that you're curious about and want to learn more about me as a hair care specialist, stay tuned and we will learn more. Thank you guys for joining my channel. I am Miss LA, and I just want to get into just right off the top. I became a certified hair care specialist because I genuinely want to help you guys grow your hair, okay? And any preventions that we can have, any solutions that we can have, and any knowledge that I can give you guys. So if this is something that you've been looking for, keep listening because I want to tell you guys all about myself and all the treatments that we have here at the LA Experience, located here in Dallas, Texas, and we're just going to talk about it. So as far as a certified hair care specialist, what we focus on, or what I focus on exactly what it says, hair care for both the scalp and the hair, okay? So that is my number one priority. Do we do hair here? Do I do styles? Absolutely. You guys have seen probably my work on my social media platforms, and I do all of those things. However, my main focus is the health of your scalp and your hair. Another thing that I focus on as a certified hair care specialist is scalp and hair analysis. What the scalp and hair analysis helps me to do for you, it helps me to create treatment plans that's specific to your condition or specific to your hair growth or your hair loss recommendations that we may have, okay? So it helps me to come up with plans to help for your healthy scalp. It helps me to grow your hair if that's the focus that we're going on, or if we're focused on both. So it helps us have a roadmap. No more guessing, you guys. No more guessing. You don't have to guess anymore what's going on the hair and scalp, because we'll be able to help you with that. Also, being a hair care specialist helps me to be able to recommend products. Here at the LA Experience, we do have our own product line, which I'm very proud to say is very successful. We've only launched for a little while, but we've had great success with our clients. Hair that hasn't been able to grow in years. I have people who are giving us testimony stories of how their hair is actually growing back. So I'm very proud of that. As long as you guys follow our plan and follow my treatment plans that I create for you guys, your hair will grow. I always tell people this, okay? Now, there are special situations where the hair won't grow back, and here at the LA Experience Hair Care Clinic, I'm very honest with you. So if it cannot grow back, my job also as a certified hair care specialist is to give you hair loss solutions as well as hair loss treatments if it's possible, okay? Also, like we said, product knowledge is something that we deal with, and we also deal with the science behind a lot of the treatments. And then we also deal with all hair types. So whether you're male or female, it doesn't matter. We're here to focus on your hair and the health, okay? So I'm sure probably a lot of you are like, well, how long has she been doing this and how did you get into it? So let's talk about it. Last year, I've been in the industry for over 30 years now. Last year, I actually made a decision to go into changing the format and the direction of my business, okay? I am a master barber, cosmetologist, and a lot of other things that we won't get into, but those are the main things I'm in, and I've done that for a long time. But also in the midst of doing that, I've always cared about the scalp and the hair. So I decided last year, you guys, 2024, that I'm going to focus on turning my business from a regular salon into a hair care clinic, right? So I did that. Put it out there in the atmosphere. Remember, one of the number one things is to believe things can happen, and really, like, you could say you have a dream, but if you don't believe in it, then it's not going to happen. So I believe that. So hence now it is May 2025, and let me tell you, my business has done fabulous. I want to send a shout out to all the people who've traveled here from near and far. I've had people traveling here from out of state to see me, get the treatments that we offer here. We're not your regular salon, you guys. If you're looking for hair health along with your hairstyles, you definitely want to come check me out here in the Dallas, Texas area. I'm very proud of where I've come from and where I am. And I just want to send a special shout out to God, of course, and my husband, who's been my number one support. So shout out to them. But this is what I wanted to get into. Just kind of tell you guys a little bit about what's a hair care specialist, why I decided to do it. And that's another thing, why I decided to do it. I decided to do it, you guys, because a lot of my clients, I started noticing a lot of alopecia on the male and the female side. And I've never seen it to the extent that I saw it. So genuinely, I didn't want to just keep helping you guys mask the problem or mask the situation. I wanted to see if I could help create solutions and give you guys options out there. So a lot of the work that you guys see, I want you to know I'm not cookie cutter. So most of my work, when I tell people they come here, you're not going to see my stuff on YouTube from other barbers or other stylists, because I am a hybrid. I'm a cosmetologist and I'm a barber. So I take that knowledge, mix it together, and then I creatively, you guys, I'm an artist when it comes to what I do. I creatively listen, I actively listen, and then I creatively come up with a plan of how we can create what it is that you want, okay? So I've been challenged by probably every last one of my clients, and I'm up for a good challenge. And if it's something that I can't do, I will let you guys know, okay? So I'm not gonna sugarcoat it and say, yeah, I can do it, when really I can't. So I am very proud of that, but that's what made me get into it. I didn't understand. I was trying to figure out what's going on. Why do so many people have alopecia? And you know what I've discovered, and I'm pretty sure you guys already know the answer to that, is braids. What I'm noticing, braids and protective styles that are supposed to be protective, those are what's taking a lot of people's hair out. Believe it or not, stress is a major factor too, you guys. So a lot of you guys who are under extreme stress, whether it's at work, whether it's at home, whether it's wherever it is, stress is a major factor, right? So that's the main thing that I found. But braids is probably my number one thing that I've noticed, especially with women, that's taking your hair out. And this is what I want to say, you guys. Find a person like myself, hair care specialist. Not many people like me. I just want to say that. And if you're a professional out there and you're looking to get into what I'm doing, I will be having classes coming up soon. So what I want to say to people out there who's struggling with hair loss and you don't know the solution, it doesn't matter, you guys, if you're out of state or in state. A lot of people I'm helping are out of state too. So I can do virtual consultations with you guys, look at the area that is your concern as far as your hair loss, and then we come up with a plan of what we can do or cannot do, okay? Remember, I'm gonna be honest, what we're gonna do, and I'll put you on a plan, and then we are a team. So as long as you follow that plan, I've seen people with success, you guys. I'm not making these stories up. I don't have to make stuff up. I don't. I work hard every single day to make sure that I have success stories, okay? I don't work every day to make up stories. I work hard every day so I can hear these success stories from people that are genuine and they are real, okay? So if you're genuinely looking for solutions, you're genuinely looking to find out what's going on with your hair, my absolute first thing that I always tell people is you got to do a consultation, okay? So if you're looking for solutions, put it in the comments below. I'm looking for a solution or just the word solution, and then I'll reach out to you and we'll message and hopefully we'll connect and we can do virtual consultations. So that's whether you're out of state or in state. So some people, they live in Texas where I am, but they live a little far from where I'm located. Do a virtual consultation. Please don't send us photos, you guys. Photos don't help me a lot. Seeing you virtually on the screen is gonna help us help you, okay? So I didn't wanna waste a lot of time today. I just wanna kind of go on here, just genuinely let you guys know how I got into this, why this is very important to me. I actually too, you may not know this story, but I actually had 2 family members who passed away due to cancer. So I actually watched hair being lost. And then myself, I had medical condition of a thyroid, because some people have thyroid issues. And I noticed how my hair came out as well, very quickly. So Hair loss is real, you guys, but we have to really want the solution and really want to fix it. And if you do, I'm your girl, Miss LA, here at the LA Experience Hair Care Clinic located in Dallas, Texas, and I would love to help you. Our website will be located below, so you guys can reach out. When you go into our website, go under appointments, click on the consultations, and click a consultation today. Be looking forward to, I have a new video that's going to come out. It's going to talk about the purpose of a scalp and hair analysis. I want you guys to be educated and understand what that is. A lot of people, you guys don't book it because you guys don't know what it is, but let me tell you, I'm probably one of the only hair salons / clinics that offers this service. There's a lot of dermatologists that don't even offer this service. So this is to help get rid of all the guessing game. So look forward to that video. What is a scalp and hair analysis? Please be educated on that. And if you haven't had it done, I'm telling you, it's the roadmap to guide you and I of where we need to head next, okay? And I look forward to helping you guys. So thank you for joining me right now and learning what a certified hair care specialist is and why it's important for you to go to a person like me and then still achieve those styles that you want as well, okay? So thank you guys again. I appreciate your time. I look forward to seeing you guys on our next video. Thank you.